Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone is well. So guys, today we'll be covering a very important topic which is related to your written in CDS or NDA. Plus, it is a very important topic which can be asked in your SSB as well. And it is a recent topic, so generally it has been asked in SSB at various places. So guys, we will see what is CDS. So guys, you heard me correct. It is I'm talking about CDS, that is General Bipin Rawat. So we will take a inside look. So before starting, let me introduce myself. Guys, my name is Amit Malik and I'm an Air Force pilot and I'm here to help you out to crack your SSB. So guys, let's start and see what is CDS.
So, friends, the Chief of Defense Staff of Indian Armed Forces, CDS, he is the head of military staff of the Indian Armed Forces and the Chief Executive of the Department of Military Affairs. As the highest ranking officer of the Armed Forces, the CDS is the commanding figure of the Joint Commanders and Staff Committee. So, guys, here CDS plays a very important and operational role, and he is responsible as the chief military advisor to the government of India and MOD. Guys, you have to remember that Defense Secretary acts as a main defense advisor, and CDS he is the main military advisor. So, guys, there's a difference. If somebody will ask you, do you know the difference? So, you have to tell that Defense Secretary he is the main defense advisor, and CDS he is the main military advisor. He is a single point military advisor to government and the defense minister. As the head of armed forces, the chief of defense staff is also aided by the newly formed office of vice chief of defense staff. So guys, this is a new implement. The vice chief of defense staff is a new role which has been implemented into the forces. The nation's second highest ranking military officer and the three chiefs of the staff of the army, navy and air force, who are the leaders of each respective branch. So guys, let me tell you that CDS is a four-star officer and is the head of all tri-service command structures. All chiefs are also four-star officer, but he stands above all of them and has a different role altogether. He heads the Department of Military Affairs under MOD as its secretary. So guys, you have to remember that the retirement age for CDS is 65 years or the 3 years of tenure, whichever is earlier. Our first CDS is General Bipin Rawat, who took the office on 1st January 2020, and it was accepted by Prime Minister Modi on 15th of August 2019. So, guys, he is General Bipin Rawat, our Chief of Defense Staff. This is his insignia, and that is the flag carried by the CDS. You can see it carries all three forces, like it is depicted here: army, air force and navy. All three are depicted in this picture. All three chiefs with CDS, and all are four-star generals. So guys, the main thing comes is, apart from advisor, what are the roles and responsibilities and why it was implemented? So guys, this requirement has been felt long back, and actually it started after 1999 Kargil war. The cooperation was lacking, so because of that it was supposed to be implemented. Things were put up, but it didn't take it didn't come to action so soon. It took some time, and finally it came into action on 1st of Jan 2020. So why CDS is required? So the main reason was the implementation of weapons procurement procedure. So guys, we have seen that all three forces have been harping upon different kind of weapons and requirements, munitions. The reason was the requirement which are set up by different agencies and which was put up. It led to a lot of money being spent on different aspects, wherein the same thing can be procured in a common term, and it could save a lot of money. So guys, you can just, for an example, I would say you can take the deal of Apache. It was first procured by Indian Air Force, and the army also proposed it. So you will not believe that the army, when raised its requirement and when it was approved, the cost of Apache, what Air Force bought and what army bought, the army has an incremented rate of 62% almost. So somewhere in more than hundreds of crore for a single aircraft, the requirement was increased. So that's why it was very much required that how things has to take place. He can very well create a theater command. So guys, you will be asking what is theater command. So guys, theater command is something which can be set up by CDS as and when required in case of national security or in case of war, in case of any scenario wherein the security is at stake. So that is his power, and that is the main reason why CDS is there. So guys, for your understanding, these are the basic requirements. As CDS, main thing is to bring jointness and integration of operations of all three forces. So he heads the Department of Military Affairs, and as and when required, he can create command, and he is looking after the national security of India. So guys, that's it from my side. The aspects which I covered are very important and relevant for your SSB and for your exam as well. So whenever anything comes up, it will not be asked in much of the detail, but the basic facts which I have covered and the important dates which I have covered, please keep that in mind, and all the very best. Okay guys, till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.